rivalry with Quando Rondo, okay? What's up, Truth Team? It's your girl, Mickey Truth. SD's #1 urban blog and the queen of paperwork. Yes, it's a bonnet type of day, okay? Judge your mom. Anyway, we are about to get into more details surrounding the bounty that was allegedly put on Quando Rondo by Lil Durk. And although they technically didn't complete said heat, they still got some payments on them. Yeah, let's get into it.
We have Mickey Truth.
Who is this? You got Mickey Truth kicked out.
Shout out Mickey.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth. So, y'all, we already went over the gist of this motion on the last video. However, this is going to be more focused on the bounty details, okay? So, as always, all documents that I use for my content is available on my Patreon. Come join the Truth Team on Patreon. All documents that I use for my content is available to the members. So, y'all come tap in with the Truth Team on Patreon. All right, so according to the defense filing, okay, the government is attempting to introduce evidence suggesting Lil Durk had rivalry with Quando Rondo, okay? Allegedly over the situation that took place with King Von, which I still don't get that, because at the end of the day, wouldn't his issue be with Lil Tim? But, you know, hey, we have this debate every year about that, okay? And allegedly, they said Lil Durk directed violence against his rival, Quando Rondo, as part of the theory and the motive and intent as far as the case is concerned, okay? The defense strongly disputes this narrative and argues that the prosecution fails to specifically explain how any alleged acts connect to the charged offenses, instead using broad character-based accusation under Federal Rule of Evidence 404B. Again, they saying it's connected, but even in my own thought process, I'm just like, well, why they ain't get Lil Tim? Was Lil Tim in Cali? You know what I'm saying? Like it's kind of confusing to me, right? That, okay, boom, if the beef started between Quando Rondo and King Von jumped on Quando Rondo, okay? So technically, King Von got his to get back to Quando Rondo. Lil Tim shot and killed King Von. So wouldn't the problem be with Lil Tim? Like, that's who your man's supposed to be. Why are you going for Quando Rondo? Had got stomped down out there. Like, I don't get it. But, you know, again, you know, that's where the prosecution is going. Now, where does this bounty allegation come from? The defense filing explains that the government is attempting to introduce prior alleged acts of violence, robberies, and a supposed direction of violence to suggest a pattern or motive without laying out direct proof on the actual bounty payment and ordered hit. Now, I will say this now, because even that's what happened with O Block Rico. That's why it became a Rico. They had all them previous shootings and stuff, and although they had the LPG duck shooting, they put it all together. So it's like, dang, they definitely had to do this if they did that one, and that one. Yeah, it all makes sense. It's this one too. So I can see the feds playing that game. Now, some key point raised by the defense, though, is the prosecution allegedly groups together rap lyrics, social media language, rivalries, and street terminology to imply violent intent. No clear transaction, payment amount, or direct Keep it in there. Direct communication ordering a hit is and it's not articulated in the notice at all. You know what I'm saying? The government uses generalized language such as motive, intent, preparation, and plan without tying specific evidence to specific conduct. Okay. I even saw in the document where they said, like, they refer to you gonna be straight. Now, you know, when somebody say you straight, I mean, you good, you ain't gotta worry about nothing. You know, like everything taken care of, you know, whatever. So, I mean, that can kind of be implied. So that mean you got the money or what? Okay. Now, the defense pushed back on the bounty angle, okay, and they argue that the alleged conduct is too vague, too temporarily disconnected from the charged offenses to be considered, okay. Also, that the government is weaponizing rap culture, slang, and artistic expression to fill in evidentiary gaps. I feel like they definitely have people telling to a certain degree, but even their stories got some loopholes. That's why they got to have a song like, okay, this person told us this. Okay, then we're gonna put this lyric here to make it to the next part. We got somebody that can tell us something. Just saying, all right. Now, why does this even matter in this case at all? Okay, because if allowed, this type of evidence could paint Lil Durk as violent based off of association and image, not actions. Allows jurors to infer guilt based off character, which Rule 4B is meant to prevent. Blur the lines between artistic expression and criminal conduct. Okay, the defense is asking the court to block the government from introducing any bounty style narrative unless it can show direct, concrete, and relevant, okay, proof to tie to the charge. And they even said the bounty was $1 million. $1 million, baby. That's a lot. Didn't Brie Baby tell us the bounty was $1 million? I don't know. That's a different conversation. Okay. So, Mickey True, what does this mean? Okay. Well, it means the defense is say, yo, the state is doing all this talking, but they really ain't got nothing. They trying to set rap lyrics. They trying to turn the YSL state RICO into a federal situation. And we all saw how that YSL case turned out. So does Lil Durk have a chance? You know, a lot of people ask me, like, who got a better chance, Lil Durk or Black Zach? I want to ask y'all. Get in the comments. Let me know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to pull up on your girl, Mickey Truth. Catch y'all on the next one. Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
yeah, I'm trying to conquer the world. Coming from where I come from.
Hey, this your girl, Mickey Truth. #1 blogger in South Carolina. #1 blogger in South Carolina. Hold on, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot, because my slots be filling up fast. Come join the Truth Team on Patreon. All documents that I use for my content is available to the members. So y'all come tap in with the Truth Team on Patreon. What's up, Truth Team? I am here, okay? Back to get a touch of love. Yes, I'm at Touch of Love Massage Shop, okay? Now listen, I've been getting my massages through Touch of Love for years, even before it was a shop to come to. But let me show you around. And then I got to get ready because I'm feeling a little tense. And let me tell you, if you work in like call centers, streamers, YouTubers, sitting at that desk all the time, you definitely need to be tapping in and get your massage. So let's take a tour. So it was located in a nice business building. The suite was set up real comfortably. It was like to the back, and the candles was burning. The aromatherapy was definitely there. Okay, so I had to get undressed, and I'm like, yo, I gotta get all the way undressed. But anyway, like I said, being getting massages, Nakia is awesome at what she does, and let me tell y'all, them hands are blessed. Okay, I got the full body massage, including, okay, the hot stones. And when I say that hour went so fast, I even went to sleep. And I always go to sleep during massage for some reason. But yeah, definitely needed that because y'all know I had a night ahead of me, okay?
Guys, I'm Nakia. I am the owner-operator of Touch of Love Massage Services. I always start with people. I start with the information of what massage is. So massage is the manipulation of muscles. Exercise is the manipulation of muscles. The only difference is we are manually using our hands to do those activities. So a lot of people look at massage as a luxury when really it's a health necessity. So I'm more on the medical side of things. So if you're experiencing any pain of any sort, muscles is 90% of pain, so I would recommend you to come and get a massage.
How can they follow you?
I do have my business page, Touch of Love Massage Services, on Instagram. I have Touch of Love Massage Services on Facebook. And if you want to set an appointment with me, you can look me up on Setmore. It's an app platform online where you can book appointments.
Hey, there you have it. And y'all, I feel like a new woman, but now it's time to parties. I'll catch y'all in the next one.